Hi, this is demonstration of the project 3-phase induction motor protection. So here we have the input power supply for the project through the 3 transformers which depict the 3-phase. So these are the 3 inputs basically. So if we put all the 3 inputs, then this project actually starts working. Otherwise the project won't work, because the 3-phase induction motor actually works on the 3-phase, and if even one phase is not there, the project will not work. So now you can see that the light has turned on. Now actually I will show you how the project is actually working. So basically we have a comparator here which compares the voltage levels of various inputs. So the set input over the comparator is such that even if one of the inputs is not there, so these relays won't turn on, and in turn the output won't come out. And so these 3 actually depict the 3-phase of the power supply, and this one is a temperature sensor. So basically if I touch it and warm it with my hand, you can see that the load is off. This is because when I touch the temperature sensor, it will decrease the voltage here at the comparator, and that will show that the temperature of the system is more than the required temperature. That's why the system won't work. So now when it will cool down to the normal room temperature, it will turn on. So now you can see that it has cooled down, and that's why the voltage level is appropriate for the comparator to turn on, and that's why you can see the load is again on. You saw about the temperature sensor. Now we can see how the if one of the phase is removed, how the induction motor stops working. So basically when I remove one of the inputs of the 3-phase, so it stops working, and when I again insert it, you can see that it again starts working. So now you can see it again start working when I have put the 3rd phase again. So similarly, if I remove the 2nd phase, it again stops working, and then when I put the 2nd phase again inside, you will see that it again starts working, and I again inserted it. So you can see the 2nd phase is also circuit is working well with, and then the 3rd phase, basically the 3rd phase, if I remove it doesn't work, and when I insert it again, the connection it starts working. So basically here what we have demonstrated is when all the 3 supplies have come and the temperature is normal, then the induction motor will work. Otherwise, if any of the phase is not connected and if the temperature is high, so the system won't work. So basically this will protect the induction motor from getting damaged. So this was a demonstration of this project. Thank you.